Mayo. Agave Restaurant, Atlanta, Georgia, Cinco de Mayo. Ain't nothing else to talk about. Let's go eat. But we in Agave Restaurant, Atlanta, Georgia. It's loud. I know you can hear me though, but ignore all the background noise. It's Cinco de Mayo. I'm happy. I'm happy because it's Cinco de Mayo, and I'm happy because my stocks is doing so well. Anyways, margarita, beer. They didn't do the combination like I usually do, so I'm gonna have to do my own thing. But let's see what this margarita hitting like. They got the eco-friendly straw. Oh my God. This is strong. That thing's strong. They must have used top shelf. Tastes like some Don Julio or something. Excuse me for my behavior after I drink this, please. I also got a strawberry margarita. See, that's crazy because this ain't as strong as this. I don't know. This gonna take me out though. I need to let it water down a little bit. Can't be in here acting a fool. I wonder if they sell sombrejos in here. That's how you say it, sombrejo, the hat. I don't know. Yeah, the Mexican hat. I don't know, I just don't like to say the word Mexican. Just be Spanish. But I hope you guys brought your passports, because we're in Mexico right now, baby. Right now. Queso Fendijo. I told y'all, excuse me if I start acting up. Appetizers are here. Queso Fendijo. I don't even know how this food is gonna fit on the table, but this is like the Southwest spring roll. That's pretty good though. It's not spicy. I was very scared. I'm not gonna lie. That's really good. That sauce. So I'm not gonna try that one for you guys because I know for sure that's spicy. But this sauce is hitting. It's like a real, it's a sweet chili sauce. The Fandajo queso sauce. Ooh, I taste the spiciness now on that. So FYI real quick, that's a delayed spice. You taste all the sweetness in the beginning, and when that spice starts to settle in, you feel it. It ain't like I'm sweating yet. So this is the Fendejo queso dip. You know how I do when it comes to cheese. Oh, so it got like meat in the cheese. So that's some real cheese. Now how you can tell it's some good cheese because of the drip. So It's cheese with like some ground beef on the inside. I like that. It's a little salty, but I like it. Damn. My chip kept breaking, man. What's going on? See? Keep breaking. Need some strong cheese. I gotta be a little bit sophisticated. A little bit. Cinco de Mayo though, people like, it's a, I know a lot of Mexican people, and a lot of them told me they don't even really celebrate Cinco de Mayo in Mexico. But for some reason, it has been adopted by the American culture. I don't know why, but now we celebrate it. I mean, do they celebrate Independence Day? 4th of July? I don't know. I bet you they enjoy that day off though. Agave, baby. So the entrees are here. Beans, rice, lamb, lobster, shrimp, and seafood enchiladas. That's what it is. I like this rice. I like these beans. You know, I always gotta eat some pork chops somewhere. This is asparagus, and it looks awesome. It was good too. Pinto beans, Mexican rice, shrimp and lobster enchiladas. Let's see what we're getting into. Oh my God. This is a bon appetit first. I never had shrimp and lobster enchiladas. It has a very, very, very mild spiciness to it. But it's very, very flavorful. You taste more of the lobster than the shrimp. And I like lobster. I need y'all just stay tuned. Watch me eat this food. I'm definitely getting a dessert. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the videos that we drop in every week. Wednesday, 7 p.m. Check your phone. We there. I'm going over this dessert menu, and I think I'm going to go with the fried cheesecake churro.
Churro and the raspberry cheesecake.
Which one should I taste first? I don't know what that is, but I like that. Raspberry cheesecake. Cheesecake churros. I don't even know if I said that right. It don't matter. It's gonna go down right. And the fried cake churro is the winner. Y'all need one of these in y'all life. We'll talk about that on another channel. Stay tuned. Bon appetit, freaks. Agave restaurant. The food was mind-blowing. The dessert was even better. Spectacular. Awesome. Oh my God, I can't even get the words out right now. You gotta come here. Cinco de Mayo. It's a wrap. We out of here. Bon appetit from the Food Critique. Signing out. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date.